Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English with Joanna. Want to improve your English without studying grammar rules? Great, because this is 2-Minute English, the place where you learn through relatable situations. So listen, feel the language, and let it sink in. Remember, I help Spanish speakers sound confident and natural in English, so like, share, and subscribe for more. Walking away. I was walking through the old part of town when I heard someone call my name. I was standing under the same street light where we said goodbye. I wasn't planning to stop, but my legs were moving slower than my thoughts. He was smiling like nothing had happened. I was remembering the night he left without saying a word. Cars were passing, people were staring, dogs were barking, and I was just trying to breathe. He was talking, but I wasn't listening. My heart was racing and my hands were shaking, but I wasn't paying attention to him, but to myself. He was laughing like we were still kids, and I was looking for the pain, but it wasn't there anymore. Memories were crashing into each other, and then we were standing in silence. He was talking, but I was already somewhere else. Rain was starting to fall. Lights were reflecting on the wet pavement. My phone was vibrating. I was leaving. I was watching the moment fade away. He was watching me leave this time. And I wasn't looking back. I was finally walking away. Now it's your turn. What were you doing when you realized you changed? Tell me in English in the comments below. Remember, your English is perfect. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.